In this problem, some statement regarding Nyquist stability criteria and Routh criteria are given, and it is asked to identify the false statement. The relevant topic has been taught in week 4 and week 6 in Control Engineering course by Dr. Ramakrishna Pasumarthy of IIT Madras. The useful data that we will use to solve this problem are: the necessary and sufficient condition of Routh criteria provides the value of k for which the system is stable. The transport lag has the form e power minus st, and the closed loop frequency response of a unity feedback system is given by T of j omega is equal to k g of j omega divided by 1 plus k g j omega. So let us go through each of these statement one by one. The first statement is both the criteria provide information relative to the stable gain range of the system, and this statement is true. RH criteria give us the value of k for which the system is stable. Also, the Nyquist criteria can be used to find the value of k for which the system is stable. The second statement is the general shape of Nyquist plot is readily obtained from the body plot for all minimum phase system, and this statement is also true. You can think like this: from the body plot we can easily generate the transfer function, and from transfer function we can easily get the Nyquist plot. Third statement is that the Routh criteria is not applicable in the condition of transport lag, which can be readily handled by Nyquist criteria. As said, the transport lag has the form of e power minus st, and for Routh criteria we use polynomials. For example, like s power 4, 3s square, something. Hence, we can't solve problems involving transport lag using Routh criteria. We can do it by doing some approximation of this function as a polynomial, but readily we can't solve transport lag using Routh-Hurwitz, but this can be easily solved using Nyquist criteria. So this statement is also true. Fourth statement is that the closed loop frequency response for a unity feedback system cannot be obtained from the Nyquist plot. So we know that the closed loop frequency response for unity feedback system can be given as this divided by 1 plus kg j omega. From Nyquist plot we can easily get the value of k g j omega for different values of omega. So we can start putting the different values of omega, obtain the value of kg omega. So we will start putting different values omega, then we will get kg j omega, and this we can use to get the value of tj omega. Hence this statement says that it is not possible to obtain, but we can obtain it. So this statement is false. In the given problem, there were some statements regarding Nyquist stability criteria and Routh criteria, and it was asked which of these statement is false. So we find that the closed loop frequency response of a unity feedback system cannot be obtained from the Nyquist plot is false. Hence the correct option is D.